out here at Kingsgrove today, basically out here doing a data cabling job for somebody. So they wanted the cheapest, quickest option to get it in. So because the house was all on slab, as you can see here, it's slab, there's no access under the house, and there's no real ceiling here, there's no pitch on it. As you can see, it's just flat, so you couldn't get into it. So what we did is we just ran a conduit, so I went through the wall here. Now look how close it is to the power box. So we really had to get a good measurement on that, otherwise you would have been coming in behind the power box and might have ended up pretty well. But yeah, so we run it up under the eaves there and clipped it under that side there, so it won't get any sun on it here. It's pretty well protected, and that way we didn't have to run any conduit out here for them, and that's the way they wanted it done. And then same when we got to this end here, then we just ran it into some flexible 20mm conduit down to another box and then through the wall. So then we install one socket here in the lounge room because they weren't getting very good Wi-Fi in this room. The modem's in the other end of the house, so this is where they've got their TV and stuff. So the Wi-Fi was really slow here and they weren't getting any good speed. So now we're going to get 11 megabits a second to that socket, and then the other socket we put was here, so that's the one right behind the power board, so be careful drilling through that one. So that's it, just tested everything's fine. So now we've wired it up so now she can put a router in here, so the phone's actually coming to that teleport now, and then yeah, router's now in this room, and then we're just going to plug everything in, clean all this mess up, and she's going to be a happy lady. Okay, bye.